Okay, I'm Luke Azevedo, and my solutions presentation is on the ocean cleanup. I'm in section 2 of the NRC185. Okay, the problem: plastic in the oceans and rivers. So the world produces 381 million tons of plastic each year, and around 8 to 14 tons of that plastic ends up in our oceans. And this leaves plastic buildups in the oceans that are larger than some countries in size. As this graph shows in the bottom left, only 3.1% of materials that are recycled are plastic, the rest being paper, as a huge one, and other products, 50%. So the solution: the Ocean Cleanup Project. In 2013, the nonprofit organization was founded with the goal of cleaning the oceans and rivers of plastic, which is a huge problem for wildlife, and in general, it's terrible for the ecosystem. The realistic goal is that they will clear 50% of the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, which is larger than the state of Texas, every 5 years, and they started that in June of 2019. They estimate that there's over 5 trillion pieces of plastic in the ocean, and they aim to clear 90% of that with their mission. And they say that 80% of river plastic comes from the same 1,000 rivers in the world, which are the most polluted, and they're putting their systems in all 1,000 of those rivers by 2025. The picture on the bottom left shows all the different ocean systems that they want to put in. They said there's 5 major places where they need to put them. How would they do it? So in the oceans, they create man-made coastlines to stop the plastic from spreading throughout the ocean, and they install several of those systems around the 5 major trash gyres. In the rivers, they have these 100% solar-powered interceptors that would place in the 1,000 most polluted rivers as they systematically collect flowing garbage down the river. And periodically, other boats will come by, empty the load, and bring it for recycling. And the interceptors are shown in the 2 images on the bottom. And the ocean coastlines that they collect trash in are in the top 2 pictures. So their impact: what they're doing now, they have 2 interceptors that are deployed. The very first one, the prototype, is in Shankaring Drain in Jakarta, and the second one is in the Klang River, which runs through Kuala Lumpur, which are some of the 2 most polluted rivers in the world. And they have 1 ocean system deployed, system 001/B, and it's at the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. So they say that 34.7% of U.S. citizens are recycling, and that leaves over 70%, or over 60% not recycling, and that's only making the overload in our waters worse. If you want to donate, you can donate to the Ocean Cleanup, $50+ and receive early access to the recycled plastic products. Thank you very much.